Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to access the tables about teams in the Premier League application. The very first thing you need to do is enter the app. After doing so, you can see down below that you have 5 options to click to. You should click on the second one, the PL. Here you can see the third option being the tables. Click on it once again. Once you have done that, you will be presented here basically all the tables about the teams and all the details that you may want to know about them. You can see the first team table, then the PL2, and finally the U18 table, sorry. So if you scroll down, you can see basically all the information that you may want to know. And in case you want to know more about them, you just click on, for example, the team Manchester United and find all the details that you basically need. So that would be about it. I hope this video was helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.